Welcome back, people. In the previous video, we already saw how to select an element and how to change its CSS properties. So in this video, we will see how to change the text that is present inside an element. So go to index.js. We will select a h1 tag first. Now let's save this. Go to our website, and initially it is supporting tech. When you refresh, you get welcome as the text message. We can use the text method to update the text inside a particular tag. But what if you want to add text along with HTML? So in that case, we will use HTML method. Let's go to the website, refresh. So as you can see, the HTML method considers em as a tag and not as string. So next, we will see how to manipulate attributes of a property with jQuery. So we already have a anchor tag and it has a link. So let's save this. Go to our website, refresh, and when we press on learn, you get supporting text YouTube page. So let's go back to the code. Here, href is called the attribute of the anchor tag. So we will manipulate the attribute with jQuery using the method attr, which stands for attribute. So let's go here. Let's refresh. So now it redirects us to Google. So the AT has two values. The first one is the attribute's name. In this case, it is href, and the second one is the value. So this is how you manipulate the attribute of an element. So let's clear this now. Next, we will see how to add event listener to our HTML element using jQuery. To know what is a event listener and what it does, check out our video about event listener in JavaScript. I have added a link to the video in the cards. I hope you would have liked the video. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to Supporting Tech.